Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we are talking about how to find a group text on Android, and I will show you exactly how to locate your group conversations quickly and easily. This video will guide you through simple steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Messages app, which is usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Make sure you are logged into the correct account because your messages are linked to it, and also check that the app is updated so all features work smoothly and properly. Step 2. Once you are inside the Messages app, you will see a list of all your conversations in one place. Slowly scroll through the list to look for the group name, since group texts usually show multiple contact icons or a group title, and if you cannot find it, tap on the search bar at the top. Type the group name or a contact name, then select the correct result to open the group text. Step 3. After opening the group conversation, you can easily view all past group text messages in one thread. From here, you can read previous messages, reply instantly, and send new messages to everyone in the group anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful videos.